Hello guys, I hope you enjoy this new tutorial. As you can see, this add-on is made up of several simple and useful sections. In the top section, you need to select the reference model. For example, let's select the dog. We set this as the broken model. Then we select the human female model and set it as the base model. This model is going to be resized to match the size of the other one. After doing that, you just need to click on Auto Fix Scale. The model is instantly resized. You can check the dimensions from the item panel. As you can see in the item panel, the height of the model is now matching. It places them at the same height. You can also check the height of all models from the dimensions section in the item panel. It places all the models at the same height as each other. Next, let's take this monkey we have here and set it as the broken model. Then we set the dragon as the base model and click the button. As you can see, it works the same way. We can check their heights from the item panel. Recent shown des Sibias Vatnar and Pay Mon. Another section I added is for models that are similar to each other. For example, let's take this dragon and make a copy of it. Then we move the copy. Now I want to test two features at the same time. One is related to the percentage section. At the bottom, you can manually make the scale larger or smaller. Now I can enter any value that I want in the box. For example, I'm going to enter a negative number because I want to make the model smaller. Whatever percentage you want, enter a negative number to make it smaller, then click Fix. You can also center the model. To do this, just select the broken model, select the base model, then enable center pivots and match position, and click the button. It will both match the scale and place them center to center. Now that the units are in centimeters, we can convert them easily. For example, if a model was imported in centimeters, you can convert the units by clicking Convert Units to make them larger or smaller very easily. It switches the units even though they look almost the same. In this section I mentioned earlier, you can also manually adjust the scale percentage to any value you want. Now I enter the same number as a negative value and click Fix. As you can see, the model has returned to its previous size. If we want this model to become smaller, we set it as base, and set the one we want to resize as broken. Then we click Auto Fix. Here it shows it was reduced by -55.3%. The model has been scaled down to the real size of the base model. This percentage helps us manage how much larger or smaller our model has become. For situations where we have similar models, we can enter the percentage shown in this section into the box at the bottom of the add-on. This allows the model we want to be resized to exactly the same size. By enabling the exact match option, you can fit the proportions of a model to the base model in all three dimensions. This can be useful when you need to match the model exactly. For example, let's select this box and make it fit to this body. Now I enable the option and click Auto Fix Scale. We can, for example, enable center pivots again and match them once more. Thank you for watching this video with me. Explore working with this add-on more